weekend in Chicago leaves over 19 people hurt and 5 dead, including a 5-month-old girl who was shot and killed while sitting in the back of a car Friday.
And Fox News contributor Gianno Caldwell is mourning the loss of his brother Christian after he was shot and killed in Chicago that very same day. Caldwell saying, quote, "Never could I have imagined my baby brother's life would be stolen from him." Here with us in studio, Fox News contributor David Webb, host of Reality Check with David Webb on Fox Nation. David, good morning to you. You know, Gianno also said in that tweet yesterday was the worst day of my existence. I can't imagine how many families feel that way in cities across the country.
Yeah, I mean, this is... Well, it's just painful because it's also personal for many of us here. And, you know, Gianno's with his family. We're staying in touch by text, and I hope that the strength that he has in his faith really helps him and his family deal with this. I don't think you ever get past it, but to deal with it. But so many other Americans. I mean, look, it's personal for us. It's personal for so many Americans around there, but it's also a cultural tragedy. And my point for the nation is this: pay close attention to what they're doing to law enforcement, to communities, to education. Children don't see another path besides gang violence and crime. And whether they're younger people, younger children, or young adults, or even older criminals, fact is they commit crimes. They continue to commit higher level crimes. Too often, many escalate. So this problem is not going away anytime soon until we bring some elements together, including these left-wing DAs, these prosecutors, these soft-on-crime policies. You just talked about someone caught with the potential to kill millions of Americans with fentanyl. As far as I'm concerned, and prosecutors can disagree with me, I believe they should be charged with attempted murder. I mean, it's a deadly drug.
Yeah,
it's known.
Without a doubt. Also in Chicago, really quickly, if you remember, just last week we were reporting on the fact that they just changed the rules so that now police can't chase suspects. People want, suspected of committing a crime. You just have to wonder if that's going to make streets safer. I think the answer is obvious.
You know, that came around with the Eric Holder consent decrees beginning, well, prior to 2014, but especially when Ferguson happened. And he pushed these decrees on all these cities around America. Are there problems to be dealt with in departments? Fine. But not to remove policing. That's where the people pay the price. And these politicians just don't care.
Mm-hmm. You know, Dave, we're going to move on. We're talking about Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, the darling of the left. Exactly. So she's calling for Supreme Court justices, I guess, to be impeached. She says they lied under oath. We actually have some sound on tape from her talking about just Roe versus Wade being overturned.
We had 2 conservative senators in the United States Senate, Senator Manchin and Senator Collins, come out with a very explosive allegation that several Supreme Court justices misled them during their confirmation hearings. I believe lying under oath is an impeachable offense.
You know, take the partisan aspect out, calling balls and strikes. Does she have a point here?
No, she actually doesn't. I guess either she missed civics class at Boston University while she was dancing on the rooftops. But a serious point here is that she's lying to you. To America, she's lying to you because she knows better. What she's doing now is pushing the playbook of the illegitimacy of the court. Look, the court has been through its ups and downs for the 100+ years that it's really been in our modern era. But one thing is, if it acts on the Constitution, that is its legitimate function. AOC simply pushing what they want: mob control, politicize the court, do what FDR wanted to do and pack the court, make it political for their purposes. And that's not what's going to happen. No matter how much she doth protest, that's not going to happen. And these justices prove that they can stand on the Constitution. Matter of fact, they did that on many other cases. The last week has been a great week for the Constitution, and I think this sets the court hopefully on a new course.
Yeah, AOC also said that Republicans with this decision are killing women and pregnant women. Rich to hear somebody who supports abortion, which is the taking of an innocent life, talking about killing someone.
Well, aren't you sick of being lectured by people who are pop culture princesses, which is what she is? She hasn't written a piece of legislation, passed a piece of legislation, yet she lectures America on how it should work. Do your job.
All right, David, there you have it. Do your job. Thank you so much for joining us.
Absolutely.
In studio, no less.
Thank you. Good to see you, Joe.
All right, here's a headline.